Valo and I are on the road again. It's summertime. We have a transporter. So, what are we up to? This is how I'm dealing with the stress of being a passenger in Europe. We stayed last night at my wife's parents' house here in Germany, and we're going over to the garage where the shell that we've come to collect is waiting for us. And I'm literally buying just a shell, so I've actually brought shocks and springs to fit to the car, and so we have to get it turned into a rolling shell ourselves this evening. My friend Thorsten, who's selling it to me, is only available after work today. We've had to do this during the working week to avoid the much more expensive ferries. So I'm quite excited now about collecting this car. The Valo is giving me a break from the driving. We did a massive 800 kilometer drive yesterday, but we had a nice stop at Sarah's parents' house, and this is going to be my first time doing some car work in Germany. We had one little problem on the way, but we got what we needed from our friends at mixedgarage.com. It was a converter plug from 7 to 13 pin old to modern trailer light cables, which we fitted at the ferry port. Luckily we brought spare magnetic lights, which got us that far. I have a couple of little gifts for Thorsten. We're swapping some things. Unfortunately I couldn't get Mark 1 stuff, but I've got that's why I have the steering wheel and I have a Mark 2 Astra badge, Vauxhall badge for the back, and this little one for the front. This is all obviously, it's rare enough in Ireland, but super rare in Germany to get this Vauxhall stuff. So this is the second time I've done this type of walk into this garage, and there it is. Hi Thorsten.
Hi Sam.
We're back again. This is a two-door 1980 Opel Kadett D, which I think would be the perfect home for the rally engine from my old black Hillclimb Kadett, which rusted away before I got Cork Engine Centre to rebuild the engine for me. This should be an excellent base for a rally car project, but first I have to give Thorsten back his suspension and fit my own. Vantage Point video on tour. Okay, you ready to take that?
Huh?
Ready to take that?
Yeah.
Oh, push it up a bit. Okay, thank you. You can locate it through there again. Just hold it there, I can turn it. Oh, that's brilliant. Can I get this? Okay. Just hold on there now.
Yeah.
Now, do you want to go in? Just get the top in first. Yeah, there. Do.
Okay, do now.
Just tighten up the other one. Okay. I think the standard spring is longer than the other in there, so there's a cup out there already.
The other way?
Because the other side is holding it, you know.
Maybe with the other way.
Oh yeah. And I can pass this gap easier. Yeah, that's a good idea. Now.
Strong. What is in there?
Nearly. You do it? Yes. There you go. Well done. How's that? I bought some things for you. It's an E-steering wheel and some Astrobed and Astrobed. I didn't clean them up because I was wondering if they're going in the bar car.
Yeah.
And then maybe they look good, old, I don't know.
Yeah.
So for the bar,
The
you
best
can
fun
cut
part.
this one off here and you have the steering wheel on that side.
Perfect.
Cool, excellent.
Thank you
Well,
very much.
no problem. Thank you for getting me the other side. We've done 500 kilometers today in 2 shifts, and we're just arriving at a camping place in France. We're going to pitch some tents for the night, and then we have just 300k less than that to the ferry tomorrow. Is that it?
Some potato turn.
Arriving at the Cherbourg ferry after 300 kilometers from the really nice camping place we had last night. We even managed to watch a little bit of WRC in the tent extension that I got from Mick's garage. It also worked on the back of Ivalo's car. We are an hour before the last boarding, so should be in good shape. Looking forward to getting this car to Ireland. And all the way over to the left. Cool, huh?
Can't be talking at first.
First off, down here. That's brilliant. Welcome to Ireland, Eric. That's the working title for the moment. I think he's first to touch down in Ireland off the ferry. That's cool.
The first of the...
Hopefully, for Eric, he'll always be first in Ireland. we had lunch on that bus on the Norse Tools raid in Wicklow. We're getting the full sightseeing tour of Dublin this morning because it's a quiet Sunday morning, so it's a good chance to skip through without going through the tunnel and everything. And we've had the vintage bus, and then unbelievably we had the steam train going across the bridge just before we got to O'Connell Street. What do you think, Nance? Yeah? Why again?
Going out. Oh yes, now.
That's the job. Come on, here. Up. Come here. Touchdown.